I'm Tate Hepler.
My name is Nick Dilly.
Hi, I'm Sydney Shaper.
I'm an engineering intern at Story Construction.
I am an engineering intern.
I am an engineering intern at Story Construction.
My communication skills have gotten a lot better because I've been able to actually take part in meetings as well as perform some basic labor and operate equipment.
Throughout the summer, I got the opportunity to work with a few contractors out on our sites. And when we did site walkthroughs on buildings that we were working in, I got to learn a lot from them because I got to explain to me what they're working on and how it works and how it applies from the drawings and the specs back to the project.
In the past, I've put a lot of work in place, but here at Story, I've had more of a managerial and leadership role. I work with my superintendents and I'm learning a lot about specifically blueprints and RFIs as well as how to manage an actual job site when it comes to safety and things that people may need during the day.
The company culture is one of constant improvement and kind of just everyone works together to make everyone else better.
I really like the culture here at Story. I really like the social events we do for people under 35. I think that's a really beneficial thing that we do. Getting to know the other young people, whether they're interns just starting out like some of the guys we have here or people that have been here for 10 years. So it's really cool to get to meet everybody.
Immediately when I had that initial interview last summer here at Story, everyone I met I liked the environment. It's a very great environment. Everyone was really nice. It seemed very organized, and that drove me to interview for the internship here.
I found the CP 2.0 process extremely helpful. The way that we schedule things here makes it so much easier and holds people more accountable. But also when it comes to the storyboard, having those goals set up, such as my being able to run an end of shift meeting was really beneficial. It gave me something to work towards, and I think that helped me a lot.
Within our Construction Production 2.0 system, I got to run a few end-of-shift meetings, and that primarily just creates a connection at the end of the workday between Story and the contractors that we worked with. And it goes over if there were any safety hazards, so make sure that everything's all right at the job site. It goes over what they did for the day, making sure that they got what they needed done, and if they didn't, we talk about it. And then we talk about what we do the next day and possibly throughout the rest of the week.
My main responsibilities this summer were writing RFIs, managing labor, calling and getting more material or more crews on site, operating equipment, and doing assisting in overall design and planning of the project.
This summer, some of my big responsibilities were documenting RFIs and submittals. I created meeting agendas and recorded notes for them.
My best advice for other interns coming into Story Construction is to never be afraid to not know something. People around are always willing to help out. You just got to ask for it.
Step back and listen. Listen to conversations, listen to what people have to say, because that's when you're going to learn the most, is when you're listening and asking questions. Ask lots of questions.